Hello and welcome to the channel Elias Treasure of Knowledge. In this video, I am going to talk on what is intellectual property rights and types of intellectual property rights. So let's start with what is intellectual property right. Intellectual property right is an exclusive right that is permitted by the Government of India for the protection of the identity to the work of the founder. It includes the creation of the mind, invention in artistic and literary work, symbols, images, and design used in the industry or commerce. Intellectual property is crucial for maintaining the quality, safety, usefulness of any product and services. So basically, it is the legal right and it is the right given to the people over the creation of their intellects or mind. So let's see the types of IPR. So let's see the first type of IPR, which is patent. It is a right permitted for an invention, which is a product, process, machine, manufacture, or creation of matter. It is granted for a limited period, that is 20 years. In short, patent protection means that no one can use the work of his or her creation without the permission of the owner. The patent owner has the right to give permission or license to the other person on mutually agreed terms, and if the owner wants to sell the invention to somebody else, then he or she will become the new owner of the patent. For example, the light bulb. The electric light bulb is perhaps one of the most famous patented inventions known to humankind. It was awarded to Thomas Alva Edison in the year 1878. However, an English inventor called Joseph Swan had received a patent for a similar product in England at the same time. Later, the two joined hands to form Edison and Swan United Electric Light Company. Edison had 193 patents, including the phonograph, which is the precursor of the gramophone, and the record player, and the dictaphone. And the second one is trademarks. Trademark is a rare sign that recognizes certain goods or services provided by someone or a company. It guarantees that the owners of marks have the exclusive right to use them to identify goods or services or to approve others to use them in return for payment. It may consist of drawings, symbols, or three-dimensional signs such as the shape and packaging of goods. These are the trademarks of various companies. And the next one is industrial design. Industrial design is a process of design applied to products that are to be manufactured through techniques of mass production. If industrial design is protected, the owner of the item that has registered the design is assured an exclusive right and safety against unauthorized copying or fraud of design by the third parties. This will help and encourage a fair return on investment. For example, Coca-Cola. Instantly recognizable, the Coca-Cola contour bottle is a masterpiece in industrial design. And the next type is geographical indication. Geographical indication are signs used on goods and that have a certain geographical origin and have qualities or a reputation that are due to that place of origin. The place of origin can be a village, town, a region, or a country. Let's see the example of geographical indication. Assam tea, Patni sari from Maharashtra, Banarsi sari, Chanderi sari, Kullu shawl, etc. And the next one is protection of new plant variety. The objective of this law is to understand the role of farmers as the cultivators and conservers and the contribution of traditional, rural, and tribal communities to the country's agro-biodiversity by rewarding them for their contribution and to investment for R&D for the development of new plant varieties to facilitate the growth of the seed industry. For example, initially 12 crop varieties have been identified for registration, that rice, wheat, maize, sorghum, pearl millet, chickpea, green gram, black gram, lentil, kidney bean, etc. And the next is trade secret. Usually, these are manufacturing or industrial secrets and commercial secrets. It contains sales method, distribution methods, consumer profiles, and advertising strategies, list of suppliers and clients, and manufacturing method. Next and last one is copyright and related right. Copyright is a legal term right given to founders for their literary and artistic works. The kinds of works covered by copyright include literary works such as novels, poems, plays, reference works, newspaper, computer programs, films, musical compositions, and choreography. Artistic works such as painting, drawings, photograph, and sculpture, architecture, and advertisement, maps, etc. And now we will see the duration of intellectual property rights. The term of every patent will be 20 years from the date of filing of the patent application, and the term of every trademark registration is 10 years from the date of deemed of the application, which is considered to be the date of registration. Copyright generally lasts for a period of 60 years. The registration of a geographical indication is valid for a period of 10 years, and the duration of registered varieties is different for different crops, that is 18 years for trees and vines and 15 years for other crops and extant varieties. Thank you for watching this video. To get more videos on library and information science, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon.